But I don't know, I also feel like we should have some interaction in the
I know, we're like, no way.
What's up, you guys? Hello,
Hello.
YouTube friends. There's hair red in front of me. Okay. Thank you so much for tuning in. Welcome back to our channel, or welcome to our channel if you are new.
Hello,
This is
I am Lala.
and I am Mimi, and we're sisters, and we're finally filming together.
Finally.
Yeah, today we have a dinner, a sort of Hawaiian themed luau type of dinner that we're going to. So we figured that we would film ourselves getting ready and trying to stay on point so that I didn't do anything crazy with my eyeshadow. And yes,
I just kept it natural. I added eyeshadow though, which I never do. So, ooh, look at me adding eyeshadow. Thank you.
So yeah, this is just kind of a fun little video of us doing our makeup together. So if you would like to see how we got to this end result, it's not really a tutorial or anything like that, just sort of fun. Thank you so much for sticking around till the end.
Yeah.
Please continue watching.
Thank you.
So what are we doing this weekend? Just kidding. Okay, we were gonna do this as a non-talking video, but that turned out to be awkward, so.
Well, it would have been awkward for y'all. We're just
For you guys to watch.
Yeah. We're like, why am I watching this?
So.
And yes, this is dirty, but I ain't got no time to clean it right now. We are in a rush.
Background music is 13 Reasons Why. I know you haven't watched it, but are you guys excited about season 2, or are you not caring? Because I'm excited, and I totally dreamt about it too.
What did you dream about it?
Okay, so I don't remember exactly because I never really remember all of my dreams.
No.
But I remember that I was like on set with them and something really sad happened, of course, because something sad always happens on that show. And then like the director or whatever said like cut and stuff, and I was like, oh my gosh, that was so good. And then the guy Dylan Clay on the show, I was like, oh my gosh, Dylan, you're killing me. Because he was like, just like the way that he was portraying his character or whatever, I don't know. But yeah, it was funny because like Dylan and I are just have friends.
Yeah,
But yeah,
I don't know. I feel like I can't watch that. I can't watch that.
I don't think you'd be. Yeah, I don't think that's a good show for you. I think certain people.
Giving the songs are already making me sad.
I know.
No, I'm serious.
I know, because the song is sad. But it's a good show.
Oh, I forgot to show, but this is the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in medium.
How do you like that?
I actually like it.
I told her to get it because Nikki Tutorial said it was a really good powder.
Thanks, Nikki and Mimi. I see that it does like blur out my face.
I should have tried that instead of...
You already set your feet?
Yeah.
And I feel like I can actually set it with, well, this is the Y1 Morphe brush. Usually I set my face with a beauty blender because I feel like it has more staying power that way. But with this one, I feel like I can actually set it with a powder and it'll be good-ish.
White-ish.
Huh?
White-ish.
That's a good question, maybe. It's like when you set your powder with the beauty blender, I feel like it has more staying power than this. But before, when I did it with the brush and just another powder, I felt like it didn't stay as long as it does with this powder.
Yeah, but you said that this is good-ish.
That's my good-ish and staying power with this. But it doesn't compare to the beauty blender, like the wet beauty blender staying power for me.
Got it. And I just ran out of eyebrow product. Okay, I'm not going to do anything fancy with my eyes, so I'm just going to go in with the Jack Van Hill palette because it's got like every color you need.
And since I have this as my mirror, I'm going to use the Carly Bible because I never use shadowing. Might as well. I feel like I have awkward blending motion. Like, I'm not used to. I feel like very stiff.
Yeah, that's when you start off. And that's why...
You gotta gain muscle.
Yes, that's why blending is so... like, not everyone just automatically blends because you want to, like, take full control, but you really have to have, like, a light hand for the brush to really do what it's supposed to do.
Work.
Yeah. So I think the more you play with eyeshadow, the more you know, like, okay, right now I need more of, like, you know, when you're stamping it on, or like, okay, now I need to really blend it, or like depending on the eyeshadow too. So correct me if I'm wrong, y'all.
L'Oreal telescopic waterproof what is this? Liquid eyeliner. So for hot days when I'm sweating, it just...
So it has like a stain power, but not heavy duty.
Yeah.
Got it.
Thank you, Ms. Descriptor. I don't know how to explain this.
Descriptor is not a word either.
Do you see what I mean?
I'm not gonna do contour or anything like that because want to go for more sun-kissed than like botched. No, not botched. That's like bad surgery. That's snatched.
Botched.
So I know. So I'm gonna go in with the Feisty Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush by Tarte. And I'm taking it high so it sort of mimics a contour without really being contour. I do want to be as glowy as I can without being as textured as I can. So I'm going to first go in with the Tarte Pro Glow by Tarte. Lala, if you want to try this, it's like
yes.
So just taking a little bit with my finger and dabbing it where I want to, which is the high of my cheekbones, a little bit on my nose.
I got the glue. I got the glue.
I don't need that. Thank you.
You were trying to help me with my...
No. We have nails.
I thought you had a special... I don't know.
No. Sorry.
Life lesson. Always look out for yourself because no one else knows what you're going through. I'm just kidding. Bronze my skin using the Goddess Wet and Wild bronzer.
Okay, I'm gonna put some on my chesticles too.
How you naturally get a tan? I don't know what I do. I've seen this on videos.
You got it, you got it. Okay, and to top that off, I'm going to take the Anastasia Amrezi highlighter. And just top that off.
And I am gonna add a blush because I like blush. So it's a tea rose powder blush from Milani.
Okie dokie pokey. Actually, what I'm going to do is just lightly clean up the bottom, because even though we didn't contour, well yeah, you didn't either.
I just bronze.
I do want to still look like I have high cheekbones. Literally, I dab a little bit on my, and you kind of have to work fast, so if you want to just do it with this, because I had to go back. And what I did too was I sprayed some of the Slay All Day setting spray. Do you want me to do it for you?
Do it, sister.
Anyway, I'm going to go in with the greens and blues from the Jaclyn Hill palette to finish the lower lash line, just to have that little pop of color since I am wearing green. And I don't know, I need color. I used the Anastasia to highlight the inner corner and the under the brow. I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Turn Up the Volume mascara. Have you tried this one? You don't care for it.
Well, no, it wasn't too bad. But I think because it made, I don't know. Maybe I need to give it another shot. I didn't really care too much for it, but maybe I need more than one test drive. Test run. Test.
Okay, yeah, I got it.
Got it. Then I'm gonna use my Vaseline. Dame más Vaseline. And it's a rosy lip, so it has a rosy color to it. I might just use that. That's what I use for every day. To just add a little bit of color to my lips.
I use nothing. Just kidding.
You should get this. It works really well. I think today I will use this Desi New York High Definition Liquid Lipstick.
Let me know how you like it. I'm going to line my lips with this NYX lip liner, color Ever 828. And it's just super overlined. And it's just a mauve-ish nude.
I really like the color. And it's shiny, but it's not super shiny, which is cool. I like it.
Yeah.
I'm not really like a big lip gloss person. I mean, this is supposedly like a high, what is it?
High shine liquid lipstick.
High definition liquid lipstick, but to me this is a lip gloss.
And I just topped that with the Tartiste, I don't know what shape this is, it kind of rubbed off, but it's sort of this mauve-ish tone.
And last but not least, because we gotta lay all day in this hot, really hot weather. Random hot weather.
Summer is right around the corner.
So, spritz and spray. And you gotta hold your breath with these because they have a really strong scent. But they work.
Don't open your mouth because I've inhaled it before.
have to do our hair, but our faces are dead. We are ready.
This is our final looks for our little luau dinner that we're having. Makes me want to go to Hawaii. That was very Beach Boys Hawaii.
Yeah.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like up and
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah.
Because we're cool. Just kidding.
So thank you for watching this summary, getting ready with us sort of video type of, I don't know what it was.
It's a very natural versus a natural kind of look.
So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.